Did you know buying aftermarket filters could put you and your family's health at risk? By purchasing an AirDoctor purifier, you have made a smart decision to protect your family from potentially dangerous health issues caused by indoor pollution. Here's why you need to buy genuine AirDoctor filters. Let's start with AirDoctor's UltraHEPA filter. AirDoctor's UltraHEPA filter has been verified by third-party independent testing to remove 99.99% of airborne particles at 0.003 microns in size and 99.99% of tested bacteria and viruses. AirDoctor's UltraHEPA filter is perfectly sealed with a rigid frame and gasket. Cheap filters have flimsy cardboard frames, no gasket, and poor sealing, causing harmful particles to bypass the filter and flow back into your room. Next, AirDoctor's genuine VOC gas trap filter is designed to work in balance with our UltraHEPA filter and fan speeds to capture dangerous volatile organic chemicals, VOC, ozone, smog, and odors. Unlike other knockoff filters, AirDoctor's activated carbon filter is treated with potassium permanganate to capture a toxic contaminant called formaldehyde from getting into your air from building materials, carpeting, and new furniture. Genuine AirDoctor VOC filters also have a high-quality pre-filter mesh that further protects the VOC filter from being clogged up with dust and pet hair. Using knockoff filters may restrict airflow and lower performance, and could even cause damage to the AirDoctor's motor. You purchased AirDoctor because you care about your air quality and want clean, pure air in your house and lungs. Because AirDoctor's performance is highly dependent on its filters, you want to make sure you're pairing it with authentic AirDoctor filters. Thanks for purchasing AirDoctor. Wishing you and your loved ones good health and happiness.